Okay, let's make a simple program where we're gonna enter a number and it's just gonna show the factorial of that number. So for that we are taking a frame and we write it as factorial. Inside that we are taking a label where we're gonna write enter a number, and then there is another one, write factorial is, we have two text boxes. Just clear out anything written here. Okay, we have some buttons like the factorial button, the clear button, and the exit button. The clear button will set focus to the first text box and it will clear everything out. Let's rename it factorial clear and exit. Now all the command will be in this factorial. I mean for the factorial at least. I'm gonna write tim n comma f comma I as integer f is equals to 1, n is equals to value of text1 dot text for I is equals to 1 to n, f is equals to f multiplied by I. Next, and in command 2 we have clear button, which is text1, text will be nothing, then text2 dot text will also be nothing, then text1 dot set focus, and inside the command 3 we have an in form 1, I mean form 11, right? In form we have form 12, yeah, it's form 12 dot understate is equal to VB maximized, and I write 7. Its factorial is shown, we cleared it out, the focusing on the first text box, and it exits.